It feels as if the last time the camping and caravanning industry had an autumn get-together at the Birmingham NEC, I was just a young man. So what's new at the Motorhome Caravan Show in 2022? There are units galore from big-name brands such as Heimer, Coachman, Eldis, Swift and Bailey. And the show gives the club a chance to chat to existing members as well as sign up new people to join our great pastime. The club had a number of stands here at the show, including a partnership with Jeep to run our towing experience and give visitors a chance to the show to pick up some towing tips. Now these tips are particularly useful for people looking at buying a new caravan. Talking of which, our Candy Evans has spotted a few new caravans that are well worth checking out.
Knaus has launched a completely new feature in its classy top-of-the-range Azure caravan, a self-healing surface. And the furniture is also set at an angle which can be a bit disconcerting until you get used to it. But the optical illusion means the caravan feels bigger inside. Look out for our full review of this model in Camping and Caravanning soon. If the price of the Knaus Azure is a little steep, you might like to take a look at its little brother, the Weinsberg Caracito. This compact caravan starts at around £16,000 and has plenty of stylish touches to make it stand out from the crowd while fitting in all the essentials. Except gas. There's none of that in here. This is a fully electric caravan with an induction hob for cooking, and it comes in at a reasonable maximum mass of just 1,200 kilograms. The Adria Altea has been completely updated for 2023, and this Avon is the larger sibling of the Dart I reviewed in a recent issue of Camping and Caravanning magazine. It has some neat features to reduce its weight, like fabric seat bases, and this classic family-friendly layout with room for grown-ups at the front and up to 4 youngsters in their own space at the rear. There are plenty of accessories to keep all members of the family happy, including a dog bed to protect the furniture from the 4-footed family member. This year we've seen some quite significant prices on motorhomes at the show, but it's still a surprise to see £80,000 on a caravan. But this Ariba Touring 820 has a specification to match its price tag. Panoramic windows front and back, leather upholstery, smart home features, levelling and relatively low drag are just a few of the features you'll get for your money. And finally, a caravan you can't actually buy at the show. Marquis Leisure is teasing us with its new La Manselle range. These little French tourers from another part of the Trigano group should be on Marquis forecourts next year. So if you like the idea of a stripped-down, practical, lightweight caravan, you can register your interest now, ready for when they arrive in the country.
The club's promoting our season-long competition to win a Swift Base Camp caravan with a Van Gogh awning here at the show. Now, some people say you buy a caravan with your head, but for people like me, who go touring with the heart, I wanted to take a closer look at the motorhome hall.
French manufacturer Rapido has released a series of narrow A-class motorhomes that should make travelling around country lanes a little less stressful. The C-Class C86i has a caravan-style rear island bed layout, with a second double bed that drops down over the cab if you need it.
Now we'll have full reviews of some of the models launched here in the next few issues of the Club magazine. But suffice to say, if you're in the market for a new motorhome in 2023, here are just a few more options. A new addition to the Adamo range of Ford-based motorhomes from Bailey is the 75 4T. It's a 4-berth motorhome and it has 4 belted travel seats, with the rear belted seats converting to sofas on site. At bedtime there are twin beds above a garage space to the rear, plus a drop-down bed above the front lounge with a central washroom split either side of the van, separating the 2 areas. The Player C500 is an eye-catching little pop-top campervan conversion from German manufacturer Bürstner, and usually it's based on the Renault Traffic, and inside features a regular side kitchen layout. Interestingly, the roof fully opens at the front, which is great for a spot of stargazing from bed. A new range for 2023 from this German manufacturer, the Deathless Just Go motorhomes are based on the Ford Transit chassis cab. There are 6 models to choose from, all low-profile coach build models, and they all feature an extra wide, that's 70 centimetres wide, rear door into the living quarters. I particularly like this 7055 EB model, which features twin single beds and costs a little under £80,000. One of the brightest stars of the Motorhome and Caravan Show has to be this, the Hymer Venture S. It's an off-road campervan that's quite simply the last word in luxury. It's one of the first genuine rugged off-road campervans built by a major European manufacturer. Thanks to a powerful compressor, the rear elevating pop-top roof fully inflates in less than 3 minutes. Hymer calls this space its instant loft, and access to this space is via a proper stairway with illuminated steps. And those steps have storage compartments built into them. And the rear lounge space is like no other too. The campervan features a tailgate that opens out into a sun deck when pitched up on site. It has a hefty 350 kilo max load in itself. Priced at £212,000 here at the show, and you know what? If I win the lottery this weekend, I'm having one. So that's all for this video, but the rest of the magazine team were also at the show checking out some of the can't miss accessories for 2023. Make sure you like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss others just like it. Happy camping and caravanning.